Hi everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. Today we're going to pan-fry lamb chops. You will only need a few simple ingredients. 1 lamb rack, about 1.5 pounds. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. 2 tablespoons of coarsely chopped fresh rosemary. Divide the rack into chops by slicing between the bones. For this 1.5 pound rack, season it with 3/4 teaspoon of salt and 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Marinate for 15 to 30 minutes. Lightly oil the pan over medium-high heat. Add in the lamb chops. Flip each side every 1 to 2 minutes. Pan-fry it for 4 minutes for medium doneness, 5 to 6 minutes for well done on a 3/4 inch thick lamb chop. Adjust the time if you have thicker or thinner lamb chop. 1 minute before your preferred cooking time, add in the rosemary and garlic. Adding in the rosemary and garlic at a later time prevents them from burning before the lamb chops are done. Lamb has a strong natural gamey flavor, while the garlic and rosemary balance that distinctive taste. Tender and juicy, even a lamb hater would like to try a piece. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.